In Revit 2022, you can choose to display grid lines in your 3D views. Go to the Show Grids parameter in the Properties palette to access a list of levels for your project. Select the levels for which you want grid lines to display. This setting applies to all grids in your project, but only the grids that intersect the selected levels will appear in this view. Grid planes are available on hover and selection, making it easier to locate them in your model. Revit 2022 introduces a new parameter to display only the core layers for walls quickly and easily. In the Visibility Graphics dialog box, deselect the new Non-Core Layers option available under Walls to display a simplified representation of walls in your 2D views. When you rotate a tag in Revit, you might like to control the angle value precisely. A new angle parameter for tags found in the Properties palette makes it easier to control the display angle of a rotated tag. If you rotate the tag with the Rotate command, the angle value is automatically calculated, but you can enter a specific value afterwards if you like. This feature is easy to apply to tags in your views, giving you better control over your project documentation. If a view in your project contains similar elements, you may prefer to tag them as a group. In Revit 2022, you may now apply a single tag to multiple elements and even indicate the total quantity, if desired. Simply select a tag and open it for editing by clicking the Edit Family button. Here, you can modify the tag behavior by editing the label and adding the new host count parameter found within the Multileader tag category. You can enter a suffix such as X for multiply and customize its appearance. In this example, the text will display in an orange color and bold font on the documentation. When everything is configured as desired, you can load the modified family back into your project. Once a tag has been placed in the model, you can add or remove leaders to similar host elements at any time by selecting the tag and using the Add Remove Host option on the Contextual tab of the ribbon. When you do this, the quantity of host elements is automatically tracked and displayed both in the tag itself and in the Properties palette. You also have access to specific snap points to modify the leader lines according to your preferences. The addition of multi-leader tags to Revit 2022 will help you create more accurate, readable, and efficient annotations when documenting your projects.